Today we are going to talk about, carry on in the presentation, we will talk about how is the help desk going to be successful? What are the things that will give me a successful help desk? Good. And by successful help desk, it doesn't only mean that the help desk team is successful, it's most probably mean the entire IT team is going to be successful. Now, for any help desk to win, or in general, any team to win, they will have to have three parts. Of course, people, we all know, if you want to have a good team, you have to have good people in your team. There is no this issue about this. And we talk about people, you talk about their actual work, how to manage them, how to train them, how to make them better. You have to have a good technology. If you don't have the tool, if you don't have the tool, the technology that you need, it will be a problem. And you have to have a process. We will discuss these points as we go. People, it's clear. I don't want to discuss it a lot. You need good people to have a good team. What about the process? What is the process? A process, it's a way to make sure that all the guys knows how to do things and they follow the same steps to get the thing done. Why is McDonald's very famous across the globe? Because wherever you go, you order the same sandwich, it will taste the same. Why is Pepsi? You go wherever you go, you order Pepsi, it will have the same taste. This is called constantly. Make sure everything is done the same way. Imagine if how bad you feel if you go to the bank, ask the guy, how much does it cost me to send 1,000 riyal to my sister in Saudi Arabia? He'll tell you 20 riyal. I tell him, okay, good, I'll get the money, I come back. You get the money, you come back, you ask the guy how much, he'll tell you 50 riyal. Like, what's happened? Your friend says 20. He says, oh, my friend doesn't know. Good. What do you mean doesn't know? I already got the money. You go to get the money again, you come back, and the guy will tell you, no, it's 55 now, or 25. It's very annoying. Is those guys playing me? Yeah, no, we don't know. So that's why we have to have process. A process is a document usually created by the IT team themselves, by their management, by the customer sometimes. We sit down and we write how to get this job done. So in my team at Qatar University, when I arrived, they didn't have any of those stuff, so I created them. When I finished, I had about like 80 different processes documented and written. How to issue laptop, how to get laptop back from customer, how to replace a laptop to the customer, upgrade the customer, how to get desktops, how to get printers, how to get event support, how to get software, how to get, all these are written. So if you ask any of my team, any customer in the Qatar University, ask any of my team, how can I get a laptop? My team will read the document, and the document says, if the customer is this and this, he will get this laptop. If he is this and this, he will get this laptop. If he is this and this, he will not get the laptop. So he will tell him, here is the rule. It's obvious, it's clear, it's there. Clear what's the process mean? Process are very important to follow. How to do this stuff. It's not only, this is not only for IT, this is for everything. It's very good to have proper process. Technology. Technology is the tool that we are going to use. Some of the tools that a good help desk use are the IT service management system, call center, information, and there is emerging technology. The IT service management system, this is a full course that you guys study late in year 2, early in year 3. It's called IT service management. That's the course name. A full course just to know, understand this system. We'll talk about it a little bit today, a couple of slides. Call center, we will talk about it in chapter 3. So just to give you a heads up, what is it? It's just the phone queue. When you call Orido, press 1, press 2, press 3 to get this guy, this team. That's it. That's what we call it, the phone center. Information and the emerging technology. So the IT service management, what is that? Technically, IT team need to keep a track of what they are doing. So when you help a customer, you need to keep a track of what you did. Because remember, the customer came, brought his laptop, says, or let's say the opposite. Customer calls, says, my laptop is not working. So he was speaking to Ali. Ali was like, okay, did you try to take the battery off? Did you try to take the charger off? Good, good, good. Oh, wallahi, sir, you have to bring the laptop in. Good, I cannot fix it over the phone. The guy brings the laptop in and he meet Ayman. And then Ayman starts from the beginning. Did you take the battery off? Habibi, Ali did this. what was supposed to be done. We need to keep track of what we are doing. That's why the ITS allow us to create a ticket. So when the customer called Ali, Ali is supposed to open the ITS system, ITSM system, and type in that, good, customer name Hassan Ode. He have a T430 laptop, good, and the customer was complaining that the mouse is not blah, 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 blah. And I tried to do this, it didn't work, I asked him to bring it. When Hassan bring the laptop and he meet Ayman, Ayman will not look like an idiot because Ayman now can open the ticket. The customer came and says, I have a problem with my laptop, I was speaking to Ali. Ayman will tell him, do you have the ticket number that Ali gave to you? Customer says yes. If he says no, we can search for it. That's not a big deal. Here is the ticket number. Ayman will open the ticket and he can see immediately what was Ali's note. So Ali replaced the cable, he did this, good. Ayman will continue from there. Ayman, when he finished, he will update the ticket and he will close it because customer says, it's look working. Customer goes home 1 day later, happen again. He doesn't have to go tell the story again. He will come back, says with the ticket number, and the guys open it and do it. So you understand what is a ticket? It's like a record of what we've done for this customer. Not only this customer, every customer, every job, everything we did have a ticket. It has amazing features and it's very, very, very important tool. And inshallah, we'll work on it in this labs. During this course in the labs, I'll get you to work on it. Some of the famous names are Manage Engine, Service Desk, HP Service Management, Remedy Service Management, Fresh Service Service Management. We usually, in these courses, we work on a free software that's called OTRS. It's very, very old software. I managed last semester, I've been fighting for a whole year about this. But anyway, I managed to get the license for Manage Engine. So hopefully, I'll get it to you and you guys work on one of the best systems in the world, Manage Engine. I'll get you the experience of creating a ticket and have that feeling. Call center phone, as I said, you call Orido, press 1 to talk to home internet, press 2 to talk to mobile, press 3 to money, I don't know what. This system is very important for the help desk. If you have a very good system, it will be amazingly beneficial. We will completely discuss this in chapter 3. Information and data. Information and data is a critical thing. It's a treasure that we have and we don't use. Good. And unfortunately, many companies in the Middle East area, they don't understand they know the benefit, but they don't know what to do with it, or how to do it, or how to get it done. There is a whole science now called data management or big data. There's a whole science in the world about the data. Even CNAQ now are planning to have a degree for big data. One of the degrees that we are suggesting now, it's a big data degree. What is the data? Now, I collected the ticket from Hassan issue with Ali and Ayman, and from Ahmed, and from Muhammad. Good, this data is there, it's piling up. Now, if I have a good system, I can run a report that will show me how many T430 laptop has a voice problem, how many T430 laptop have a screen problem, how many T410, how many this, how many that. These numbers, for a good manager, it's mean gold, because now I can understand what's going on around me. I can understand that, oh, Toshiba laptops are bad, the HP laptop are better, Toshiba screen are I don't know what. And I'm talking just about me fixing computers. I'm not talking about students, I'm not talking about teachers. You can imagine what you can get out of this data. So this is very important things, is how to handle this data. Emerging technologies. There is new technologies every day coming out in the world that help the help desk. Good. Some of them, we have something called process automation. You know how many password resets we get every day at help desk? And here we only change password once every year. You know, at BlackBerry, the rule there is you have to change it every 60 days. Every Monday morning, in Canada, it's Monday morning, not Sunday morning. So every Monday morning, the first 2 hours, my entire team is doing one thing, resetting password. People go on the weekend, they drink, they have a nice weekend, they come back, they forget their password. Good, thank God they remember the word. That's habit. It was killing us, thousands and thousands of requests. Then we end up creating a tool that will allow the user to reset his password without coming to us. You know how much time we save. Artificial intelligence is a big issue now in the IT industry. You know how you can, some help desk now, they don't have employees. Like AliExpress is one of the websites I buy from. He doesn't have an employee, he have a robot. I will write a message to the robot, my order didn't arrive. And the robot will ask me, oh, sorry to hear that your order didn't arrive. Which order? And he will show me the orders. And I'll tell him like this one. And then he will tell me, okay, 1 second, I'll check. So the system will go check the shipping, check the tracking, check everything, and come back. Says, oh, look like there's something wrong with your shipment. I will call the vendor for you and I will inform him about it. Don't worry, I will open a ticket for you. And he will do it. And he will send to the seller notification that Hassan was asking what's happening. And that's it, I finish. Now, there is no IT support that actually did this job. So these things are amazingly helpful. Good, so this is the technology. So these are the stuff in the technology that make the help desk better. So back to our main slide, people, technology, and process. This is what make your help desk succeed. Clear? Anybody have a question about these technologies and the idea? 1 second.